shout out to the Loves, Lost Hills area. They conducted themselves pretty awesome. Unfortunately, that company over there, they could kiss my butt.
Hi, I am Jose. Welcome to the channel.
Guys, I'm in Barstow. I've been here for maybe like over 6 hours. Whew. Which way? Yeah. I gotta go this way. And then catch a bus in the morning. There's supposed to be an abandoned parking lot down here. I got some batteries for this puppy dog. Hell yeah. Yeah, you know, anybody that's paying for service, especially at Denny's, certain Denny's and certain restaurants, they do that to me. Oh my God. We gotta hurry this guy up. He's homeless. Let's get him out of here before he starts begging people. Fuck you, mate. Don't be stereotyping or prejudice or whatever. I don't know. Whew. Well, anyway, let's get off that subject and walk in the middle of the road like I belong in it. God damn! Whew, why is there a fence? There's always a fence to block off public lands. But anyway, I'm gonna be enduring this crap. This beautiful coldness. My objective for this video is to get westbound, or a little bit of westbound. There's like a whole crap load of truck stops and gas stations, and I'm bound to get out of there if I can make it. I gotta get the bus in the morning. Wake up, do the whole 9 years again. Yards again. But anyway, I'm just talking to talk. Peace for now, people. I apparently slept till 4. I didn't know that. 4 p.m. Yeah. Wow. And I got about an hour just to catch this damn bus. Not an hour. 15 minutes. Thank God I didn't pack up or take out my tent. Hell yeah. I can't believe I slept till 4. I must have been really fucking tired. Hell. Oh well. I wouldn't mind sleeping till 4 anyway. Must have been really tired. But anyway, let me get packed up and I'll see you over there where I need to be before I miss this bus. Because it's only on one day, that's it. And I can't believe I fell asleep that long. That's alright. Alright guys, I'll be back. Yeah, it's a little late. Not a little late, but I'm still feeling tired. Boy, I got to go that way, a little ways, just a little ways. There's like 8 to 10 truck stops at one area. So one of these trucks drivers is bound to take me halfway across America. But I tell you what, I really, really, really want to get the hell out of California. Yeah, I'm not too far from the state border of Arizona, but I don't think me saving any money is possible this trip because, yeah, I am going to be hitchhiking. I'm going to be trying to stick around truck stops. Thought about doing little adventures here and there, but I got a taste of 25-degree weather last night, but that ain't all that bad. Nah, the only thing that really froze was my feet. It got cold. Jersey Mike's subs, Starbucks, IHOP, Fat Burgers, Del Taco, Habit Burger Grill, Carl's Jr.'s. I mean, you got the whole kind. You even got In-N-Out down there, Del Tacos, Denny's, Panda Express. I mean, you got all this. I mean, like, wow. I can, what they call spange out here. Spange for money. Hell yeah. But anyway, if you really are interested in buying the GoPro that I'm using, GoPro Hero Session, from me, I'll invoice you 100. I'm thinking 150. That sounds reasonable. 150. You can still pay with debit or credit card. You don't need a PayPal account for it. Because I would love to continuously using my deal here, my new GoPro, but having this, I'm so used to it. Yeah. But the SD card does not come with it, and the only thing you'll get is the deal, just the GoPro itself. If you have a regular Android charger, that'll work for it. If you want anything additional, that'll probably come out a little bit more. But anyway, I gotta make it up to this truck stop Denny's that's up this way. And we got Paneria, we got Asian Food Center, we got every freaking thing we can think of right now. Hell yeah. Hey guys, so I actually made it to this truck stop, Barstool. I don't know why I keep calling it a Barstool, like a bar stool. But anyway, I'm gonna start on a new vlog. Sorry guys, I'm a YouTuber. I'm a hitchhiking YouTuber.
Oh, alright.
Hell yeah. But anyway guys, I'm gonna cut my losses short here for any continuation of videoing at this gas station because I don't want to get kicked off. They're kind of pretty nice about it here. See you guys in the future. So, nah, I'll see you in the next upload. But for real, if you're serious about buying my GoPro that I'm recording off of right now, the session, I will definitely general mail it to you. But anyway, peace, love, stay true, and be happy.